Are you looking for a face moisturizer with long lasting hydration that stays soft for all day? What if I told you you could make an all natural organic moisturizer at home with ingredients you probably already have? This recipe is not so time consuming. In just a few steps, you can create a luxurious cream which suits to all skin types, especially the sensitive ones. Ready to discover the recipe to long lasting moisture? Let's get started. Jojoba oil is a powerhouse ingredient because this oil is structurally similar to the sebum produced by our skin, making it an excellent natural moisturizer that balances oil production without clogging of pores. Jojoba penetrates deeply into the skin, providing long lasting hydration and preventing moisture loss, which is essential for maintaining soft and supple skin. Rose water is a fantastic addition to a DIY moisturizer cream. It helps to balance the skin's natural pH levels, which is crucial for healthy skin function and barrier protection. Now hold on for the next ingredient. I must tell you, with the regular use of lavender essential oil can help to even out skin tone by reducing discoloration and hyperpigmentation, leaving the skin looking more radiant and balanced. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing properties, this gel can calm irritated and inflamed skin, making it ideal for conditions like sunburn. And addition to this, it's lightweight and non-greasy. Beeswax has antibacterial properties that help to protect the skin from infections. And shea butter deeply hydrates the skin, helping to restore elasticity and maintain moisture levels. Now, let's delve into the process of creating the moisturizer. Start with taking 18 grams of beeswax. With the help of double boiling method, start melting it. After it has melted completely, add 50 grams of shea butter. Melt this butter with the same method. When this butter has also melted, then please allow the mixture to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. After this, add the 1/4 cup of jojoba oil to the melted mixture when it is still warm. Add half cup of aloe vera gel into the mixture, followed by 1/3 cup of rose water. Let's infuse our moisturizer with a delightful scent of lavender essential oil. 15 drops of lavender essential oil should be sufficient. Time to blend all the ingredients together to achieve a smooth and well combined mixture. Friends, I'm using hand blender, but you can also use mixer grinder. But just remember to blend it on a high speed. When I was making this, friends, I thought the consistency was not up to the mark. So I decided to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture, and then I have blended it again. I am so thrilled with how beautifully this turned out. Just look at that creamy goodness. You can use this piping bag to pour the cream into the containers, or you can directly pour. Smooth, silky, velvety, and hydrating cream is ready now. Making your own DIY organic moisturizer isn't just about creating something natural and nourishing for your skin. It's also a fun and creative way to care for yourself. You get to control exactly what goes into your skincare, ensuring it's free from harsh chemicals and full of goodness. You can use this moisturizer daily. This DIY moisturizer contains no harsh chemicals, making it safe for all skin types, including highly sensitive skin. However, it's always recommended to do a patch test before full application. The shelf life approx 7 to 8 months. But I would recommend you to store it in a fridge and away from the direct sunlight. My dear friends, I encourage you to give this a try. It's a rewarding process, and your skin will thank you for the extra love and care. Plus, there's something so fulfilling about using a product you made with your own hands. So go ahead and treat yourself to this delightful DIY project because you deserve it. Now, I just want to say thank you to all of you for joining me, for giving your precious time on my videos, watching it, interacting with me, and lots more. Frankly, friends, it makes me so happy. That's all for today, friend. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.